मैंने ज़िंदगी में कभी ये नहीं सोचा था कि मुझे भूल भुलैया 3 और पुष्पा 2 से सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी। हाय, मैं प्रतीक्षा मिश्रा एंड यू लिसनिंग टू माय रिव्यू ऑफ पुष्पा 2 और पुष्पा द रूल। फिल्म में एक सीन है वेयर पुष्पा ब्रेक्स इनटू टीयर्स इन हिज मदर्स आर्म्स। ही इज सराउंडेड बाय द वुमेन ऑफ द फैमिली और उसके जो मेंबर्स हैं सिंडिकेट के, जो उसके दोस्त हैं या फॉलोअर्स हैं, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू कॉल देम, आर काइंड ऑफ फ्लैंकिंग दिस एंटायर सेटअप। ये जो एक सीन है इज इनफ टू काइंड ऑफ शोकेस व्हाई पुष्पा द राइज बिकेम एज पॉपुलर एज इट डिड। इट ऑलमोस्ट बिकेम लाइक अ नेशनल सेंसेशन बिकॉज द कैरेक्टर ऑफ पुष्पा इज very different, very hatke when we compare it to other pan-Indian heroes or other massy action film ke heroes. He has this raw vulnerability to him which actually feels like the writer and the director are making an effort to add layers to the character. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ exposition भर दिया या audience को रुलाना ही है इसलिए कोई layers add कर दिए हैं. Director Sukumar is trying to make a legend out of Pushpa. He's not a flower, he's a wildfire. Pushpa, now at the head of the red sandalwood smuggling empire, is even larger than life than before. But that of course comes with its problems. उसके बहुत सारे adversaries भी हैं आसपास. सबसे important is SP Shekhawat played by Fahad Fasil. Shekhawat is still kind of dealing with the humiliation that he faced in a very weird scene in the first film, but obviously you can't just get over something like that, so he's still carrying those wounds with him, and that is majorly what is driving him. पर problem ये भी है कि he doesn't actually have a proper plan in sight. All he has done so far is that he has infiltrated the syndicate, and यहाँ से he'll see कि आगे जो होगा मैं वहीं से संभाल लूँगा. We also get to see how this humiliation or how this kind of power struggle with Pushpa is affecting his psyche. Some of the best parts of Pushpa 2 come from when we get to see the character's psyche or get a peek into how these characters are developing because of what has happened throughout the films and also throughout their life. Pushpa, for instance, is dealing with a lot of trauma. He has been othered from society ever since he was a child, और इसके effects उस पे काफ़ी हद तक पड़े हैं. And I love how the second film also focuses on this idea of identity quite a lot. Director Sukumar has a tendency to push things and kind of push the envelope to such a point कि वो देखना चाहते हैं कि मैं ये stakes और ये scale कितना बढ़ा सकता हूँ. Problem ये हो जाता है कि ये scale बढ़ाने के चक्कर में they just focus on making everything bigger and shinier and like more violent and forget the roots of what made the prequel successful. For instance, if we consider Pushpa's trauma and how it has affected him, his relationship with his family and his entire rivalry with Shekhawat and the politics that kind of enter, already you have enough कि एक proper masala film बन सके. There's a Japanese gang that he fights जो उसको उसके पैसे नहीं दे रहे हैं. Then there's another client I think from Dubai who comes with a very lucrative deal. तो बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. The film is trying to do so much. A film like this that is dealing with so much needed a good script, but this film does not have that. और बिना एक strong script के जो आपसे एक सस्पेंशन ऑफ डिसबिलीव एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है इन फिल्म्स लाइक दिस, वेयर यू आर लाइक ठीक है लॉजिक नहीं है तो नहीं है पर एटलीस्ट द फिल्म इज एंगेजिंग, दैट डज नॉट हैपन हियर. सो ऑल दीज लॉजिकल फ्लॉज बिकम वेरी ग्लेरिंगली ऑब्वियस. वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट थिंग्स अबाउट पुष्पा और नाउ द पुष्पा फ्रैंचाइज आई गेस इज दैट इट नेवर शाइज अवे फ्रॉम एडमिटिंग कि मोस्ट ऑफ दिस सेंसलेस वायलेंस कुड हैव बीन अवॉइडेड अगर सब अपने मेल ईगो को थोड़ा साइड पे रख के सोचते. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स ऑलवेज द वुमेन ऑफ द फिल्म हु पे द प्राइज इन द पेट्रियार्कल सेटिंग ऑफ द फिल्म एंड द वर्ल्ड. दिस इज नॉट वेरी फार फ्रॉम द ट्रूथ, बट द इशू इज कि ये फिल्म जिस तरीके से हैंडल करती है ना प्रॉपर्ली बैलेंस नहीं हो पाता है. ये जो एक ट्रोप है ये पूरे इंडियन सिनेमा में प्रॉब्लम है ऑफ काइंड ऑफ सब्जेक्टिंग योर फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स टू सेक्सुअल वायलेंस टू मेक अ हाफ बेक्ड पॉइंट अबाउट कंसेंट एंड अ वेरी मिसप्लेस्ड पॉइंट अबाउट ऑनर जस्ट सो द हीरो कैन कम इन गन्स ब्लेजिंग और मुक्का मुक्की करके टू सेव देम एंड गो ऑन इनटू हिज हीरोज जर्नी इज नॉट ओनली सो टायर्ड एट दिस पॉइंट, इट्स ऑल्सो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग टू वॉच एंड वी सी दैट इन पुष्पा 2 as well. The film does try to make better points when it comes to the theme of gender, especially in the marriage between Pushpa and Srivalli. Srivalli, of course, is played by Rashmika Mandanna. There are a few scenes that actually work. I like that Srivalli gets the same kind of sexual agency that Pushpa does, but at the same time, the film has a very predominant male gaze problem where it's hypersexualizing people. So the balance is not happening. At the end of the day, हम घूम फिर के square one पे ही आ जाते हैं. Having said that, I still enjoy that there is this one massy action hero who's just kind of a wife guy. उसका concept काफ़ी simple है, इसलिए वो मेरी बीवी है तो मैं उसकी बात सुनूंगा. It's that simple and I really enjoy that kind of relationship that they have. इनका जो marriage है और the moments that we see on screen could have very easily become cringe-worthy, but it is saved by the fact that the actors together have great chemistry. Rashmika Mandanna as Srivalli gets some very powerful moments in the film, but still इनकी जो शादी है still based in the same societal construct that they're kind of trying to challenge. Whenever we see Srivalli, she's either making food or she's in the kitchen or she's talking about her husband or talking about her husband's family. There's not much else that we find out about Srivalli except one powerful monologue that she gets, and truly Because of Mandana's performance, this character does not become like just unforgettable or just another heroine that we have seen in films like these. And that is one of the biggest problems with Pushpa 2. जो Pushpa 1 के themes थे, they were really powerful. Sure, there were places where they were थोड़ा superficial, but they were still effective. वो Pushpa 2 पे नहीं हो पाता. It's a little confusing as to what messaging they're trying to give and how, and it all gets a little diluted because they're trying to raise the scale so much. Speaking of the correct messaging and saying it the right way, we at The Quint are always committed to bringing you stories that matter and reporting those stories with as much honesty and earnesty as possible, and that is only possible because of your support. So if you're not a member of The Quint yet, I would suggest that you go do that now. Pushpa the Rise का जो एक main theme था was of, like I mentioned, identity, of essentially elitism, classism, especially in very privileged spaces, and also in subtext about caste. वो conversation Pushpa 2 पे भी थोड़ा trickle down करता है, but again the scale problem happens. That being said, there's one very interesting kind of thing that they do with Pushpa's character in this film, where एक जगह पे क्या होता है, he thinks that he is losing the upper hand, albeit very slightly, and we get to see how much that affects him. This idea of his identity being tied so deeply to power and how that is affected by all his trauma, by the othering, is very interesting writing. One obviously cannot fault the makers of Pushpa 2 for trying to make a bigger, better film. Who doesn't want that? But the crux of Pushpa as a film is lost. One of the saving graces of the film is that भले ही उसका run time काफी लंबा है, you don't feel that way because the pace is very quick and swift. The ending, the climax is horribly haphazard, and I know that that is happening because they want to introduce Pushpa 3, तो वो सब कुछ ऐसा open छोड़ना चाहते हैं, but it's so much. That is not to say, however, that Pushpa 2 मजेदार नहीं है, and most of that comes from Allu Arjun's performance. My God, what a superstar he is in this film. And you can almost see the shift from Pushpa 1 to 2. जो काम उन्होंने इस character पे किया है, even the same details that you're seeing, the callbacks that you're seeing are much better and stronger here. I love that ये ऐसा character है who can balance out their swag and the vulnerability together, and all of it is coming out so well on screen. Even when he's in a sequence where you're like, why would someone do this and why am I watching this, he still delivers. Genuinely the saving grace of this film. The performance is really hell. The problem, however, is that a lot of characters, including Shekhawat's, seem to only exist for the hero's journey, and that takes away a lot, ironically, from the hero's journey. I do, however, enjoy the kind of relationship that Pushpa and Shekhawat share. There is a point in the film where I thought that yes, they are constantly balancing between rivalry and something that's very close to friendship. They're in a situationship. Film की एक जो खासियत है उसका camera work done by DOP Miroslav. It is stunning. Every frame is so arresting. It's beautiful, especially the one Jatra scene that is there with Allu Arjun. Stunning. For lack of a better word, it literally oozes confidence and power and still suppressed rage and grief, and all of that is coming through the colors as well. The bright blues and yellows, it's beautiful to watch. Genuinely, ये sequence देख के आपको सच्ची लगेगा कि हाँ, ये पुष्पा का sequel है. Then there's the matter of two things: action choreography and editing, both not up to par for a film like this. इस film में action choreography should be seamless. It should feel so natural. But यहाँ पे कहीं-कहीं दिखता है कि अच्छा यहाँ पे blocking है, ये actor ऐसा कर रहा है. This is how the person is going to react. Background score, however, by Devi Sri Prasad breathes life into this film. It's perfect. It's perfectly catchy. It's capturing everything. The Pushpa still works. It's amazing. However, there are some songs that just, why are they there? This one song, Kisik, might be the most hilariously misplaced song I have ever heard in a film. I don't know why it's there. I genuinely don't know why it's there. I get it, they want to recreate the Uantava moment from Pushpa 1, but absolutely not. Sukumar's Pushpa the Rule starring Allu Arjun is clearly creaking under the pressure from the audience. I get it. But they went in a completely opposite direction to what they should have done. That being said, the film is still quite fun. It is very much a one-time watch. Pushpa 3 pakka aayegi, and at some point you find yourself wondering, do we really need that? Do we really need that? Couldn't we just have had a better climax and close this chapter? However, my rating is very much dependent on how well Allu Arjun portrays the character of Pushpa, and that is why my rating for Pushpa the Rule is 3 stars out of 5.